In today's video, I want to talk about resetting PDT on Webull. I need to be upfront with you here. There's genuinely nothing to reset anymore, because the pattern day trader flag itself no longer exists under the current rules. Let's cover exactly what changed. The old pattern day trader rule, which flagged accounts under $25,000 after 4-day trades within 5 business days, officially ended on June 3rd, 2026. Starting June 4th, 2026, FINRA's new intraday margin framework took over, and under it, no PDT flag gets triggered at all anymore, regardless of your account size or how many day trades you place. That's not my interpretation. It's stated directly on Webull's own page covering this change. So if you've been looking for a reset PDT button because you're worried about triggering the old restriction, that's simply not something that applies anymore. There's no flag being placed on your account in the first place under the current system, which means there's genuinely nothing left to reset. Now, if you were flagged under the previous rules and you're still seeing some kind of restriction lingering on your account from before this transition, that's worth reaching out to Webull's support directly about. The general expectation across the industry during this rollout was that existing flags on qualifying accounts would get cleared as part of the change, not carried forward indefinitely. So if something's still sitting there, that's likely an issue worth flagging to them directly rather than something you're expected to fix yourself. As for what actually governs your day trading activity now instead of a flag-based system, it comes down to your account's margin and equity levels through things like equity maintenance calls and day trade calls. I've covered how that new system actually works in more detail in a separate video if you want the fuller picture. And that's the honest update here. The old PDT flag and the reset button that went with it are both relics of a rule that ended back in June. Under the current framework, there's nothing left to reset. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.